Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Newly elected MPs, including Shillong and Tura MPs, take oath on day 2 of 18th Lok Sabha. Several unelectrified villages in Meghalaya continue to reel under darkness amidst Power Minister. PHE Minister denies allegations of irregularities in implementation of JJM projects in Garo Hills. Housing Department to conduct inquiry into alleged irregularities in procurement of roofing sheets. HYC lodges complaints with Lokayukta. Bethany Society and IIT Mumbai distribute eco-friendly sabji coolers to vegetable vendors of Limekra and Yaudo markets. The news in detail. The second day of the 18th Lok Sabha today began with newly elected MPs taking oaths as members of the House. Among those who took oaths today included Shillong MP Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon of the Voice of the People Party and Tura MP Saleng A. Sangma of the Congress. A total of 266 MPs took oaths yesterday and the remaining MPs took oaths today.
I, Dr. Ricky Andrew Jones Sinkon, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you. Kuble Shibun Mithela.
I, Sri Saleng A. Sangma, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the constitutions of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Safe constitutions.
Around 52 years of statehood, several unelectrified villages in Meghalaya continue to reel under darkness. Admitting the findings following a recent survey, Power Minister A.T. Mondal said that the state government plans to electrify the unelectrified villages in the state much before 2028. According to him, the department had surveyed the entire state and found that there are a few villages that are yet to be included in the list of unelectrified villages.
Discuss about the issue. He has given a memorandum also. Very soon we'll be discussing all those issues and we'll try to sort out the problem. And if so, we'll try to see that these villages are brought under electrification. We had already surveyed entire state. Tomorrow I'll get exactly whether these villages are listed there or not. See, exactly the figure I cannot say, but we have done the survey already.
Minister in charge PHE Marcus N. Marak has denied reports of irregularities in the Jal Jeevan Mission or JJM projects in Garo Hills, stating that the department is trying to attend to all complaints relating to JJM in Garo Hills. The minister said he will be touring the entire state and to gather first-hand information on the project implementation.
Time I saw some complaints from the Chibanang area. I've already directed the department to send the officials. Officials has gone, talked to the people, and people are very happy. It came back in the newspaper also. So we are trying to rectify whatever complaints are going. See, JJB is an ongoing project. There will be definitely some issues and concerns. We will try to rectify that. I'm not heard of that collapse. If you can kindly specify which particular project. I'll get the matter examined.
Minister in charge Housing Marquis N. Marak has informed that a departmental inquiry will be conducted to verify allegations of irregularities in the procurement of roofing sheets. Meanwhile, Hinyotrap Youth Council HYC President Roy Cooper Sinrem today lodged a complaint with the Meghalaya Lokayukta demanding an inquiry into the alleged irregularities in the procurement of corrugated aluminium roofing sheets by the Housing Department.
We are going for a proper inquiry now, and only after the inquiry I will be able to justify whether we are procured the same quality which we have already placed an order for supplied.
Kitin ba gajing siya ka director ng housing kipan ng new supplier ban wanra ite kitin kibalong gajing urban jong ka 45 mm regi gibapoy pat kapo block kite gibatang 25 adu 28 mm ya din mangilapha yang ni gajing thua nilabur ka wi gajing dawa bakata kalong baka sorkar kariban pulong ya gajing tokit but badai ban thum nunu officer ba ladau tokit ude ban khot lang ngiru mangindat sajaka ban pet lane ban lap ya gajing sisha.
The MLA of Mauhati constituency, Charles Marngar, along with representatives from different villages yesterday met Power Minister A.T. Mandal and submitted a memorandum raising issues relating to power supply in his constituency. According to Marngar, there are irregularities in the power supply in areas like Mauhati, Sonidan, Umtral and Umsiang, adding that many villages are yet to be electrified. Child Friendly Shillong, an organization who looks after the welfare of children, yesterday launched a new campaign called One Campaign on the theme, Who Can Protect Me? I and We. This campaign was launched by the District Child Protection Officer, East Khasi Hills District, Mati Warjri. According to the Civil Society Mobilization Officer of Child Friendly Shillong, Banabel Kharsati said the aim of this campaign was to make the public aware about the needs of the children, while urging all villages to provide space for the kids to play. The Office of the Superintendent of Police organized a bike rally from Jawai to 8 Mile today to raise awareness on the menace of drugs. Police personnel also distributed pamphlets as part of the campaign in the run-up to the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, which will be observed on the 26th of this month. An awareness campaign was also held in collaboration with the Minturu Community Social Welfare Association, MCSWA, at the taxi stand. Bethany Society, in collaboration with IIT Mumbai, today handed over the eco-friendly sabji coolers to 5 vegetable vendors from Layumkra and Yodo markets during a function held at the Bethany Society campus in Layumkra. The initiative was aimed at helping vendors to preserve their vegetables which they can no longer sell on a particular day. According to an IITian, the sabji cooler is widely used in the country, and this is the first time that it is being introduced in the state.
As an organization, Bethany Society, one of our major areas is how do we use technology to improve the lives of people, and appropriate technology. So we are in touch with like IITs, with Department of Science and Technology. So when IIT developed this, IIT Mumbai, they got in touch with us to ask us whether we would test this sabzi cooler.
This helps, like it can preserve vegetables and fruits for maybe 1 week or something, and they will not have to do any distress sell for this. and what it needs is only water, 15 to 20 liters of water. I think Meghalaya has a lot of water and they can put it here, and it needs very low maintenance, and the maintenance also can be done by the local people. So if they get it, we hope that if it runs for at least 5-6 years also, they will get some good return.
The Sengkantay Lombasuk yesterday held an internal meeting to discuss many issues related to drugs and others. The meeting was held at Dorbar Hall, Laujanreu. The meeting was also attended by Reverend VTS Langste, who is also a councillor at Suncare, Shillong, and Temenbasan K. Nyota. After the meeting, a public discussion on drug abuse was also held. The North Liberty High Secondary School in Jawai and Dominic English Upper Primary School in Namdong A emerged victorious in the final football matches of the district-level Subroto Mukherjee Cup held in West Jaintia Hills District. The tournament, organized by the District Sports Officer of West Jaintia Hills District, concluded yesterday with 3 final matches played at the Kiang Nongba Stadium. These winning teams will now have represent West Jaintia District at the state-level Subroto Cup. The West Khasi Hills District Level Subroto Mukherjee Cup Football Tournament 2024, conducted by the Office of the District Sport Officer West Khasi Hills, came to an end on Monday at New Nongstoin Playground in Nongstoin. Kershai Government Lower Primary and Upper Primary School, Dabboklang Giri Memorial Secondary School, and Sipsing Memorial High Secondary School, Nongpendeng, emerged victories. The 3 schools will represent West Khasi Hills at the state-level Subroto Cup in Shillong. The weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 24.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.7 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 82%, while in the evening was 92%. Rainfall recorded at 14.8 millimeter. Forecast states moderate rain and thunder shower are likely to occur at most places. And now, before we end the news, the headlines once again. Newly elected MPs, including Shillong and Tura MPs, take oaths on day 2 of 18th Lok Sabha. Several unelectrified villages in Meghalaya continue to reel under darkness, admits Power Minister. PHE Minister denies allegations of irregularities in implementation of JJM projects in Garo Hills. Housing Department to conduct inquiry into alleged irregularities in procurement of roofing sheets. HYC lodges complain with Lokayukta. Bethany Society and IIT Mumbai distribute eco-friendly sabji coolers to vegetable vendors of Layumkra and Yodo markets. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Thank you for watching and good night.